Dr. Julie Jack. Welcome to another recipe video. So today I just wanted to show you a really fast, fun recipe that you can make for 4th of July coming up. So this is my 4th of July mixed berry parfait. And this is going to be sugar-free. We're just using natural sugars from fruits and just basically whole foods. So the first thing you want to make sure you have is a high-speed blender, because that's going to mix up the cream sauce that we're going to be using for the parfait. And in addition to that, you're going to have some mixed berries, and I'm going to show you how to make the cream sauce. So I actually already made the cream sauce yesterday, because right now it's about 5:46 in the morning and it's too loud to be using the blender. But for this cream sauce, you can see here, we're going to be using 1 cup of raw cashews, 2 bananas, and then 1/4 cup of water. We're just going to combine all of this in the high-speed blender. You're also going to add to that 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So just combine all of those ingredients in the blender and blend that up. You will need a tamper so that you can really get everything mixed up really well. So I made this last night, so it doesn't look as light, but if you make this the same day and use it the same day, it's gonna be a little bit lighter than this. Also, I will have the full recipe with all the ingredients on my website at purelivingnutrition.com, so you can check there if you want to print out the recipe and check for the amount of ingredients. And then we're just going to be using some shredded coconut to top off our berries. So let's go ahead and assemble this. You'll just take a glass, take some of our cream sauce, just like this. Now I'm using mixed berries that have been frozen berries. Ideally you want to use fresh berries, strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, to get that red and blue color. I just didn't have anything fresh on me, so I'm using frozen berries today. Or if you want to use frozen berries, whatever is easier for you. And then I'm going to add a little shredded coconuts on top of that. And then we're just going to layer it. So again, some more of our banana cream sauce. Okay, and there you have it. This is our 4th of July mixed berry parfait. And it's really simple to make. It's fun for kids because they can just assemble it. And it's healthy for not only kids, but adults as well. There's no refined sugar in it. Just pure whole foods with the raw cashews, the bananas that we mixed together, and fresh fruits. In this case, frozen fruits. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please like the video if you've liked this recipe, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great 4th of July, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.